How to add your business to Uber Eats. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in merchants.ubereats.com and then search for it. You will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily add your business to Uber Eats. All you have to do is provide the details of your business. Click on this drop down and select your store address. Then type in your floor or shoot of the business. Then type in the store name. Likewise, type in the brand name. Click on this drop down of business type and select your business type. I'm gonna select it as specialty food store. Then type in your details, first name and last name, likewise your email address. Then select your country and then type in your phone number. After you fill up this, you can click on submit. Once you submit this, you will receive a response from Uber Eats within 1 to 3 business days. They will contact you via your email or phone number for the further details. When you get their email, click the link provided. This will take you through the final steps to add the restaurant to Uber Eats. Once your registration is complete, you can use the Uber Eats Manager to monitor your performance and access support whenever needed. To start receiving orders, activate the Uber Eats Order app, and with that, your business is now live and ready to use. So this way you can easily add your business to Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.